Welcome to Faded and Forgotten History. Today we are headed on a 4-hour train ride on the historic Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. Some of these train cars are almost a century old, so come along as we step back in time and ride the rails. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to Faded and Forgotten History.
Hey folks.
So today we're in Blue Ridge, Georgia at the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway, and we're on platform D, and we're going to head up to McCaysville, Georgia. It's at the line of Tennessee, I think, Coppertown, Tennessee?
Yeah.
And so we're here today to take a little train ride, so thanks for following along with Faded and Forgotten History. So when you get a ticket to the railway, there are 3 different options. You can take the open air car, and you can take the enclosed one, and then another level up is another type of enclosed car where it includes meals and food and things, but we took the middle route. We took the one that's enclosed with air conditioning and heating, but does have comfortable seating. So the open air will be nice. Just wasn't sure how comfortable the seating would be. So that's the one we chose.
Please make sure you have your seatbelt buckled. Make you look. Well, this train only goes 15 miles an hour. Something to hear about. Guys, we want to welcome you guys to Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. I'll be your car host today. That is Georgia's smallest church. It holds 8 people. It holds 8 people. And here attendance is 100%. There are 5 species of trout dessert, name being brown and rainbow. Your normal trout is 1 to 5 pounds.
Folks, you'll have a good time.
Thank you. So you got where you can see the TV right up here, see the ball game going? Yeah. Yep, and on the back side, the river. The bridge over there in the background. And we'll see how the river on the river. We're in McCaysville, Georgia, and Copper Hill, Tennessee. So we had the name wrong a little earlier. And on the railroad, they gave us this map. And we got off here. And we weren't sure where to go, but we got off here and walked down through here, and we're stopped here to eat. And then we plan on going across the steel bridge that's here, and then walking up and seeing some of these shops before we leave. We've got about, it's almost 11:30, and we have to be back on the train by 1. Well, it leaves at 1. We have to be there before that point. So we'll have to use our time wisely. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And I had the, what did they call these? State line nachos. And you had the smash burger, and you're removing the tomato.
Angie was our waitress, and she took great care of us.
We were looking for the restroom, and we found these inside shops. Tennessee state line right here. Is this the Toccoa River? Yep, Toccoa River becomes the Ocoee River. Little vendors set up across the bridge. Car, we really loved it, right?
Sure have.
And the meal was really great. We had great service, and they were really quick because you don't have a lot of time here. Every second counts. So they had our meal in and out very quickly. So we love it. We just left the steel bridge, which was the state line between Georgia and Tennessee.
Are we in Georgia or are we in
We are in, I don't know. I don't know. That's a good question. So we're still not sure where we are. The store back there had bags that had Tennessee.
We'll probably figure it out.
Where? We are in Tennessee at Sweet and Belong Cheesecakes.
Okay. Thank you.
And here it is, the Tennessee-Georgia line, right through the middle of the street.
So we got back to the train car early because on the way we were facing the wrong direction, and it's not because we planned it that way. There was just another family that came on a little late and we wanted them to be able to sit together, so we switched spots with them, which put
You
us
were
going
so nice.
yeah, which put us going backwards.
That is my idea.
Yeah. So this time we got back a little bit early to make sure we're switching sides because we want to see the mountainside instead of the riverside. And we want to make sure we're facing forward heading back so we can see the scenery a little differently. So right now our train car is in Tennessee.
It's in McCaysville.
It's in McCaysville. No, he said our car would be in Tennessee, this
Okay.
car. But the front of the train is in
we
Georgia.
in Tennessee. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of confusing, but it's a nice little experience. So we'll see what it looks like on the way back on the other side of the train.
arrived back in Blue Ridge, we decided to have a look around. It has some historic buildings and some cute shops and nice restaurants. So we took time to sightsee in Blue Ridge.
Yeah, they're good. Good and cold.
Thanks for joining us as we traveled on the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. If you like Faded and Forgotten History, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also check us out on Facebook. Thanks a lot.